Hello, this is the new set of speakers from Q Acoustics. It's the new model, the new bookshelf model 3030i. So the lineup of 3000i of Q Acoustic now has a new add-on, a new bookshelf speaker. Now we have a 3010i, 3020i, and this is the 3030i. We're gonna open the box with our cutter here. It's a new speaker. Nobody has opened the speakers before, as you can see. We cut the tapes around here. So, to have a look inside of the box, the first thing that we see is the manual. The manual is up here, 3000i series. It's the title of the cover, Q Acoustics. And we check the brochure here, the manual. So here we have the new speaker that we present, the 3030i. It's two-way bass reflex, two drivers, one woofer 6.5 inch and one tweeter 0.9 inch, 6 ohm impedance, minimum 4 ohms, 88 dB sensitivity, the crossover frequency 2.4 kilohertz, and the total weight of the speakers 6.4 kilos per speaker. So the lineup has also the wonderful speakers 3050i and the center speaker, and they have an active subwoofer too. So this is the whole lineup of 3001 of Q Acoustics. Let's continue the unboxing. As we said, there is a woofer 6.5 inch. So the speakers are waiting for us inside. Here we have some foam to control the bass reflex port. We have a pair because two speakers. And what else we have? This one's for the humidity, to absorb the humidity during the transportation. And we removed the carton, and here we are to continue the unboxing. So here we say this is okay. So we're going like this way. Let's say it's the black color. We undress the first speaker. So it's upside down. Let's turn it the right way. So this is the first speaker of the, and this is the other speaker. So now we have the speakers to have a look, how they look like. We remove the covers, and we see the drivers. The drivers, as we said, are two ways, 6.5 inch and 0.9 inch the tweeter. So these are the new speakers from Q Acoustics, 3030i. You see how the depth of the speakers are. You see how depth they are. The tweeter here for high frequencies and the woofer here. We continue. Underneath the speakers there are these bolts here for the stand and some elastic feet here. So let's take a look around. Curves, there are curves here, the cabinet is curves, there are no angles, so it's very smooth. And here is the bass port, 3030i, and this is the terminals for the cables. Here the company recommends QED cables. So this is takes banana and cable. So we continue the unboxing as we are doing always here. We see here we removed the ring, and here is the woofer. There are 4 screws, and this is the shape of the woofer. And then we removed the 4 screws, which are going into the wood of the cabinet. The cabinet is very thick, as you can see the cable. This is the woofer, the driver. Big magnet, double magnet, the spider, these holes here you can see. The sash is metallic. You see how it moves. And the terminals of the driver, this is it's Q acoustic driver, as you can see here. There is the crossover, some nice parts we can see there, the coils and the capacitors, some resistors. The crossover is based inside of the base of the stand, of the bottom side of the speaker. So there are some good construction of the cabinet, it's very good. The only thing that remains now is to go to the listening room and have start the review that will be published in our next issue. This is the Q3030i speaker from Q Acoustics.